Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Cloudflare account with your WordPress website using the official Cloudflare plugin. This is a quick and simple setup, and once it is done, you will be able to manage your Cloudflare setting and purge your cache directly from your WordPress dashboard without having to log into Cloudflare every time. I have already connected my website. In my previous video, I have already created my account and connected my website with Cloudflare. And if you have not set up your Cloudflare account yet and have not connected your website to Cloudflare, then I will put a link to that video in the description below and also in the card at the top right corner of this video. Make sure you watch that first and then come back here. So let's get started. So now first of all, go to your WordPress dashboard and then go to plugins, and then click on add plugin. Here in the search bar, search for Cloudflare. You will see the official Cloudflare plugin by Cloudflare. Go ahead and click on install, and once it is installed, then activate. If you are using any other caching plugin, then it can conflict, so you have to use the one. In my case, I am already using Lightspeed, so I will later disable it so that Cloudflare plugin don't conflict with it. So once you activate your Cloudflare plugin, then in the settings you will see a new option for Cloudflare. Now here you will see two options: create your free account, or if you have an account already, then sign in. Since I have already a Cloudflare account set up, I am going to sign in. Now it will ask you for your email associated with your Cloudflare account and a global API token. Here I enter my email associated with my account, and for the API token we need to go and grab it from Cloudflare account. So here in my Cloudflare account, at the top right corner, click on this profile icon and then click on profile. And here on the left side you will see API tokens. Click on it. Once you scroll below, then here you can see your global API key. Click on view, and now it will ask you to verify your identity. It will send you verification code. Let me grab this verification code and I come back. Once you enter the verification code, click on verify you are human and then click on view. Here you can see that it is saying invalid CAPTCHA. Let me try it again. So I tried it again and it asked me to first verify my email. So it will send you an email. You can verify your email and then let me do it and I come back. Okay, so here you can see that once I verified my email, then you can see the global API. I click here to copy it, and once it is copied, then we go back to our WordPress dashboard, and here in the API token, paste your API key you just copied. As now I click on save API credentials, that says email or API key is invalid. I have been checking around and I found that now Cloudflare prefers API token. Let's go back to our Cloudflare account and create API token for this. Here in the same window you can see that at the top you see a notice: Cloudflare recommends using account API tokens if you prefer credentials that are not associated with users. Here you can see that you can create your custom token, or you can scroll below and see the WordPress. As we are going to use this for WordPress, let's use this template, and then it will automatically select the permissions and everything as it has been already configured for WordPress. Then click on continue to summary and then click here on create token. As you can see that the token has been successfully created. Let me copy it and I go back to my WordPress dashboard and I paste it here. After pasting, I click on save API credentials. Here you can see that the connection is successful and WordPress website is connected to Cloudflare account. Now once you are connected, you will see a button that says apply recommended Cloudflare settings for WordPress. I recommend you go ahead and click on this because it will apply settings inside your Cloudflare account that are specifically optimized for WordPress website. Here you can see that I applied them and that is done. These settings will now be applied in the background in your Cloudflare account. Now one more thing I want to show you here is the Cloudflare purging option. You will see a purge caching button on this page. Whenever you make any changes to your website and you want to make sure Cloudflare is serving the latest version, you can come here and click purge cache. You have two options: purge everything which clears all cached files or purge individual files if you only want to clear specific pages or assets. Now the good thing about having this plugin installed is that it will also automatically purge the cache when you make updates to your website. So in most cases you do not have to worry about doing this manually. But it is good to know this option is here when you need it. And that is it. Your Cloudflare account is now fully connected to your WordPress website. You have the recommended settings applied and you can manage your cache directly from your dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel as I keep bringing such useful content. And until the next video, take care. Bye.